Hey everyone, investors, welcome back to another exciting episode where we break down the latest happenings in the stock market. Today we're diving deep into the world of Amazon, the e-commerce titan that's taken Wall Street by storm. This company has revolutionized the way we shop, and its impact on the market is nothing short of extraordinary. Buckle up, because it's been a wild ride for Amazon stock lately. From record highs to unexpected lows, the journey has been thrilling and unpredictable. Over the past year, we've seen some major ups and downs. Remember those pandemic highs? Amazon's stock soared as people turned to online shopping in droves. Yeah, those were good times. Investors were ecstatic as the stock price surged, reflecting the company's booming business. But lately, things have been a bit shakier. The stock has faced some turbulence, causing concern among investors. Inflation, supply chain woes, and fierce competition have all taken a bite out of Amazon's profits. These challenges have created a more volatile environment for the stock. But hold on, don't hit the panic button just yet. Despite these hurdles, there are still plenty of reasons to be optimistic about Amazon's future. Despite these challenges, Amazon remains a dominant force in both e-commerce and cloud computing. Their vast infrastructure and innovative strategies keep them ahead of the curve. And you know what that means? Investors are still confident in Amazon's long-term potential. Investors are still betting big on this behemoth. The company's resilience and ability to adapt make it a strong contender in the market. So what does the future hold for Amazon's stock price? Let's find out. Stay tuned as we explore expert predictions and analyze the factors that could influence Amazon's trajectory in the coming months. Alright, let's talk numbers. Wall Street analysts, those number-crunching gurus, have been busy gazing into their crystal balls, trying to predict Amazon's stock trajectory. And guess what? Most of them are feeling pretty bullish. Analysts' price targets for Amazon stock over the next 12 months are mostly optimistic, with many predicting significant upside potential. Of course, there's always a range of opinions, but the consensus seems to be that Amazon is still a solid long-term investment. But why all the optimism? Well, Amazon has a few tricks up its sleeve, including its dominance in cloud computing and its ever-expanding e-commerce empire. Let's talk about Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short. This, my friends, is Amazon's secret weapon, its golden goose, its cash cow. AWS is the world's leading cloud computing platform, and it's raking in massive profits for Amazon. Think about all the businesses and organizations that rely on cloud services these days. From Netflix to Spotify to even government agencies, everyone's jumping on the cloud bandwagon. And guess who's driving that bandwagon? That's right, Amazon. AWS is a high-margin business, which means it generates huge profits for Amazon. And as more and more companies embrace cloud computing, AWS is only going to get bigger and more profitable. Okay, we can't talk about Amazon without mentioning its bread-and-butter e-commerce. Amazon is still the undisputed king of online retail, and it's not giving up its crown anytime soon. Sure, competition is heating up, with rivals like Walmart and Target stepping up their online game, but Amazon has a few key advantages that keep it ahead of the pack. I'm talking about its massive selection, its lightning-fast shipping, and its loyal Prime membership base. Amazon Prime is a stroke of genius, let me tell you. It's like a subscription to convenience, and once you're hooked, it's hard to imagine life without it. The risks. What could derail Amazon's success? Now, before you go all in on Amazon stock, let's talk about the risks. Investing in any company, no matter how successful, always comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. Amazon, despite its massive growth and market dominance, is no exception to this rule. Every investment comes with risks, and Amazon is no exception. The stock market is inherently volatile, and even the most stable companies can experience sudden downturns. Investors need to be aware of these potential pitfalls. One of the biggest risks facing Amazon is increased competition. The e-commerce landscape is becoming more crowded, with major players like Walmart and Target ramping up their online presence. These companies are investing heavily in technology and logistics to compete with Amazon. As I mentioned earlier, Walmart and Target are upping their e-commerce game, and they're not going down without a fight. They are leveraging their extensive physical store networks to offer services like same-day delivery and in-store pickups, which could lure customers away from Amazon. Amazon needs to stay on its toes to maintain its market share. Another risk is regulation. The regulatory environment is becoming increasingly complex, and Amazon must navigate these waters carefully to avoid potential pitfalls. Governments around the world are increasingly scrutinizing big tech companies, and Amazon is definitely in the crosshairs. Regulatory bodies are concerned about issues like market dominance, data privacy, and fair competition. Antitrust concerns and data privacy issues could lead to costly fines or even breakups of the company. These legal battles can be lengthy and expensive, potentially diverting resources away from innovation and growth. And let's not forget about the global economy. Economic conditions can have a significant impact on Amazon's performance. Factors like consumer spending, currency fluctuations, and international trade policies all play a role. Inflation, recession fears, and supply chain disruptions could all put a dent in Amazon's profits. Rising costs for goods and shipping, along with potential slowdowns in consumer spending, are real threats that could affect Amazon's bottom line. Investors need to keep a close eye on these economic indicators to make informed decisions. Navigating market volatility, a bumpy road ahead? Hold on tight, investors, because the market can be a bumpy ride. We're living in uncertain times, and market volatility is something we all need to be prepared for. Interest rate hikes, geopolitical tensions, and economic slowdowns can all send shockwaves through the market, causing stock prices to swing wildly. Amazon stock is not immune to these fluctuations. But remember, volatility is a part of investing. Don't let short-term market swings scare you away from your long-term investment goals. The future of Amazon innovation and expansion. So what does the future hold for Amazon? Well, one thing's for sure. This company is not afraid to innovate and expand into new territories. Amazon is constantly exploring new technologies and business ventures. From artificial intelligence and drones to healthcare and grocery delivery, Amazon is always looking for the next big thing. This constant innovation is one of the reasons why investors are so bullish on Amazon. This company is not content to rest on its laurels. It's always pushing the boundaries and looking for new ways to grow and thrive. Investor takeaway. Is Amazon stock a buy? So, here's the million-dollar question. Is Amazon stock a buy? Well, as always, the answer is, it depends. If you're a long-term investor who believes in Amazon's growth potential and its ability to navigate challenges, then yes, Amazon could be a great addition to your portfolio. However, if you're risk-averse or looking for short-term gains, Amazon might not be the right fit for you. The stock can be volatile, and there's always the possibility that things could go wrong. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and make an informed decision based on your individual circumstances. Amazon has been a dominant player in the e-commerce space for years, and its expansion into cloud computing, streaming services, and artificial intelligence has only strengthened its market position. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions has been a key driver of its success. Amazon Web Services, AWS, continues to be a significant revenue generator, contributing to the company's overall profitability. Historically, Amazon stock has shown impressive growth, rewarding long-term investors handsomely. However, it's important to consider the potential risks, such as regulatory challenges, market competition, and economic downturns that could impact the stock's performance. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Amazon should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Diversification is key to managing risk, so consider how Amazon fits into your broader investment strategy. By taking a balanced approach and staying informed, you can make a more confident decision about whether Amazon stock is the right choice for you. Stay informed, stay diversified, and invest wisely. Disclaimer, not financial advice. Hey, just a friendly reminder, I'm just a guy who loves talking about stocks. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing in the stock market involves risks, and you could lose money. Before making any investment decisions, do your own research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and make sure you understand the risks involved. Join the conversation, share your thoughts. All right, investors, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Amazon stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started.